If you're like me, after you go and fly your drone, you probably just put it back into a corner and it sits there until it's ready to be used again, or if you just want to go and charge it. Well, most of the time, all those batteries and chargers start to clutter up that area. I found a really cool way to store your drones and to make it so it's a lot faster to charge, it's more efficient, and it's not as cluttered, and it looks really cool. Now, the only thing that you need is you need a pegboard and some pegboard hooks, and those are your main essentials. Now, everything else is optional. So I went through and I added an LED light strip for I think about $20. And what this does is it just looks so much better, because then it shows off and it has cool different colors other than just a boring pegboard. And I went through and also painted my pegboard, and it looks a lot better. And it's very easy to do. I went through and bought my pegboard at a hardware shop. And all you have to do is buy the hooks, paint your pegboard if you want, and after you're done doing that, you want to go through and add your LED lights. So then it adds some more aesthetics and it looks a lot better. Now after you add your lights, you're going to go through and either you can buy some standoffs for it for the wall, or you can screw it in. I decided to just screw it into the wall. Now after you know where everything's going, you can start to add the hooks in and then mount it to the wall. Now once it's all mounted, then you can go through and add in your hooks and place your drone batteries and everything where it needs to go. And after that, you're done. It looks a whole lot better, and it removes a lot of the space that your drones would have taken up, and it just declutters and it looks nice. I've been using this for a while and I love it. It makes it so it's way more efficient for me, so I can just go and grab my drones and that's it. Well, I hope this works for you and I hope it helped. I'm Zane Shaw, keep flying.